Completing that incident, father found that he has composed a poem. And next day, on a Christmas day, one music teacher from the village school came to meet father, and the name of that person is Franz Xavier Gruber. He came to visit to father, and father made him read that poem which was composed by him last night. So that music teacher took his guitar and read that poem, and this poem itself took the shape of a song. It became a loving song. So now the poem was transferred into a song. Which song? A song from heaven. Both father and music teacher decided to sing this song at church. They sang it with the help of guitar as the music organ of church was not working properly. On listening this song written by father, the whole church was totally surprised. Everybody loved this song so much, and the magic of this song began to spread on each and every person. After a few days, one person from another village came to repair the organs of the church, music organs of the church, and he tested the organ. Not he himself not tested, he asked the music teacher to test the organ, and he tested the music organ by singing the new song, the song which was composed by Father Moore. The magic of this song was spelled on the uh, organ builder which came to build the or repair the music organs. He was so impressed that he said that he will teach this song to his neighbor and the other children of his village, and this is how the song came. We can say this is how कि वो सॉन्ग उस विलेज से बाहर निकला और it moved to the other villages. That music builder gathered some of the children of the village and taught them this song from heaven, and this is how the song became popular in the neighbor villages. Soon this song reached to the lips of a wonderful singer. Wonderful singers are the singers of Stretcher family, and everyone believes that they sing like angels. Name of their children are Caroline, Joseph, Andreas and Emily. Their parents were glove makers. Glove maker means वो लोग जो दस्ताने बनाते हैं. And they, in the season of spring, they go to a northward to a city of Leipzig for selling their gloves in the annual trade fair. Annual trade fair means वो that particular fair means मेला. यहाँ पर हर एक तरह की मार्केटिंग जो है की जाती है. And this city is very large as well as busy, and children often feel very uncomfortable there as they were feeling homesick. Homesick means missing one's own country, own people. They Caroline suggests them to sing a song. So all of them were ready to sing a song, and they sang their favorite song, the song from heaven. They start singing the song in one corner of the road, and slowly people gathered around them. They were so mesmerized by their beautiful voice, and they want to listen this song again and again. As they completed their song, one man, we can say middle-aged man, came toward the children and praised their performance by saying a beautiful verse like this song was so fantastic, like this. Then he introduced himself to the children by saying he is the director general of music in the kingdom of Saxon. Along with this, he made the children to attend the party at the king's palace, and he said that he will talk to their parents as well, and children were so happy to go there. They expressed their happiness by saying we would love to means we will like to come there. In the evening, when children walked in that great auditorium, they saw that the auditorium was filled with the gentlemen and gentlewomen. They were well dressed. As the song finished, the Director General of Music called for the stretcher children and introduced them by saying that today he has listened one of the finest voice he have ever listened. Director General requests the children to sing that song once again in the auditorium. As the children were feeling shy, uh, they they make one idea. The idea was that they should close their eyes and imagine that they are singing in front of their friends, so that they may not feel shy anymore or nervousness, any type of nervousness. So they began to sing Song from Heaven. As they have finished, the all the auditorium was listening to them. The whole auditorium was listening to them, and there was pin drop silence in the auditorium. There was no one who was whispering, that there was complete silence, and it took few seconds for people to recover from the magic of that song. And after few seconds, there was a huge applause in the auditorium. All the people were clapping for the stresser children for singing such a beautiful song. All were praising them. After few seconds, a uniformed man gave children message that king and queen wants to talk to them. When the children met king and queen, first of all they praised their song, and then they requested them to sing this song once again on the special day of Christmas, as no one was knowing of this song before this. Before we can say no one knows about this song earlier. Joseph, while clearing his thought, told them that it is a folk song. Folk song means that folk means something that is related to a particular group or a place. So it is a folk song, and they sang this song on 1832 in the Royal Palace Chapel. This is how the song was start traveling in the whole world, and it became one of the loving song of whole world. Magic of this song can be seen in the World War First also. On 25th December 1914, both soldier of both the side, German and English, stopped their war for a short time, and they all together, means soldier of both the sides, all together sang this song, and all the soldiers know this song. That's why they all sang this song together and celebrated their Christmas. This song continued to spread its joy and peace even today. This simple song from tiny village in Austria now resonates in the hearts of the million of the people every Christmas. So, this is the story of a song. This is how it traveled from the small village of Austria to the whole world, and this is how it became one of the, we can't say one of the, it is the finest and the loving song of Christmas and liked by every people, each and every person.